Hey developers, Prasad Polarapu here. Today I'm diving into a tool that's a game changer for anyone working with open source software, Black Duck. So what is Black Duck? It's a powerful tool designed to help you manage the risks that come with using open source software in your applications and containers. First up, identification. Black Duck scans your applications and container images to identify all open source components. No more guessing or manually tracking. Black Duck does it for you. Next, it's all about security. Black Duck can detect security vulnerabilities, compliance issues, and code quality risks. Imagine knowing exactly where your software might be vulnerable before it's too late. Now let's talk compliance. Black Duck ensures that your open source components meet your security policies, license obligations, and are free from vulnerability. Pretty neat, right? Worried about license conflicts? Black Duck has you covered. It identifies applicable licenses and potential conflicts, helping you avoid nasty surprises down the road. And here's the kicker. You don't even need access to source code. Black Duck can analyze software without it, making your life a whole lot easier. Deployment is a breeze too. You can deploy Black Duck on AWS and integrate it with your existing development tools. It uses package manager data and SHA-1 hashes to identify open source components accurately. So there you have it. Black Duck is your go-to for managing open source risks, ensuring compliance, and keeping your software secure. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.